Let us see how to do this grade 8 CBSE question. The question seems long, but it is actually quite simple. It covers various concepts in numbers like ratio, proportion, percentage. So let us straight get on to the question. A picnic is being planned in school for class 7. Girls are 60% of the total and they are 18 in number, which means the number of girls is 18 and it amounts to 60%. So if let the total number of students be x, %60 of x is 18. 60% of x is 0.6x is 18, which makes x 18 by 0.6, which is 180 by 6, that is 30. So now that we actually got the number of girls to be, we have 18, we have total 30. So obviously the number of boys is 12. As and when we find something, it's better to make note of it so that it will be helpful in solving the subsequent subdivisions. Now, the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is asked. So, number of girls by number of boys. Number of girls is 18, the boys is 12. In its simplest form, the ratio is 3:2. Now the cost per head they want us to find if 2 teachers are also going. So the cost includes the transport rate as well as the refreshment. So the picnic site is 55 kilometers and the rate per kilometer is said to be 12. So total transport cost would be 55 into 12. By partitioning 55 into 10, 550, 55 into 2, 110, 660 rupees. This is the transport cost. It says the refreshment cost. A bulk amount is given. So that puts the total cost at 4280 plus 660, which is 4940 rupees. If we need to find the cost per head, we have to divide this entire amount by the number of people. So in doing so, we have totally 30. 18 girls, 12 boys, 2 teachers. So we have 32 people going. Doing long division for 4940 by 32. 32 ones are 32. 17. Bring down this. I think 32 fives will be 160. You'll get a 14. Bring down the 0. 32 fours will be 120 plus 8, 128. You will get 12 at this point. Put a decimal point, add a 0. 32 fours was 128. So 32 threes are 96. So 96, you should get a 24. Add a 0. No, 37s are 210. 2 sevens are 14. So 37s are the 240. You will get 210 plus 14, 224, which gives 16. At that point, you again put a 0. 32 5s are 160. So, 154.375 was the cost per head. Now, going to part 3. This is a percentage question. It says if the first stop was 22 kilometers. This was part B. First stop is 22 kilometers. Total destination is 55 kilometers. So percentage of journey covered of total distance. So how much is 22 for 55? We do not know the percentage, correct? So it will be 22 by 55, the total, into 100. 2 11s are 22, 11 5s, sorry, 5 11s are 55, 1 5s are 5, 25s are 100, 40%. So 40% they have covered when they have already traveled 22 kilometers. So what percent is left? Obviously the entire thing should be 100%. If 40% is covered, 60% distance is left to be covered, which is got by subtracting 40 from 100. So this is a simple arithmetic question. You need to be careful. Solve one step by step. One leads to the other and you will get answers to the entire question. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.